Thank you for watching my video. Today I'm going to introduce you how to make Swiss flag. I use processing as a programming language. Processing is very similar with Java. You can learn the fundamental of programming. So let's get started. First, I prepare the screen. Size 500 and 500. Then it appears like this, 500 screen. Then I want to paint the background as red. We use background and we designate the color as RGB, so red will be 255 and 0, 0. Then it becomes like this. Then I want to draw this mark, and we use the rect, but when we use rect we need to specify the 4 numbers, the rectangle X position, rectangle Y position, and rectangle width and rectangle height. So from left to here and here, 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 all of them looks same. So the width is 500 and the 5 line will be equal with 500, so each one is 100. Then select X position. X position is 100 and Y position is 200. And the rectangle width is 300, height will be 100. And we need to make the color, we need to make the rectangle color white, so we use this. When we draw by the white, then we don't have to specify the 3 number, we just write 255. Then we can draw the rectangle, and we don't need the edge, so we can write no stroke. Then the edge color will disappear like this. Then we want to draw the vertical rectangle like this. The X position will be 200 and the Y position will be 100. X position 200, Y position 100. Then width will be 100 and height will be 300. Then look at the result. Great, looks great. Today's task is easy, but we can learn how to draw the sphere, how to draw the rectangle, and how to change the color. It will be helpful when you create your own character or something. So please remember these kinds of method. Background fill, no stroke, rect. Then I can show you the another answer. Like in this term, I specify the rectangle, the left x position and the left y position, but we don't have to specify the left place. Here will be another answer. So far, this is the same, and we have another method, rect mode. This is a method kind of we can change where we draw the rectangle. We can specify where is the center of the rectangle. So the rectangle center is here, and this is half of width and half of height. So we can use this is the center of rectangle. We can divide width and height by 2, and the rectangle width and rectangle height. Then we can draw the horizontal rectangle. This is easy, right? We don't have to calculate the rectangle left x and y position. We just need to specify the center of the rectangle, and so far is same, and width is 100 and height is 300. Then we can look at the result. Great. We can make the Swiss flag. If you think this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel and push the like button. I continue making the helpful video, so see you next time.